Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create and use macros on OPPO Find X2. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on search bar, and search up Automate. Now install the app. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, accept. Now tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner to create a new macro, and then tap on the plus again to add blocks. And I will just create a simple macro. So let's say if I plug in my charger, it's going to start a timer. So check if power source is plugged, and then start a timer. Timer add, and at the end we need a flow stop block. Okay, now connect all of them together, and I don't think we need to change any properties here, but we will definitely need here. And duration, let's set it to 10 minutes, and label plug out, maybe not 10 but 30 or 40 maybe even. It seems more reasonable, 40. Okay, tap on save. If you tap here, you can change the name of this macro. Tap on save, and now we can go back, tap on start, and then we'll have to grant a few permissions. So just tap on grant, automate, always, and go back. Grant, okay. Disable this one and go back, and now tap on grant, allow. As you can see, it has been this macro has been started. So now let me plug in my charger, and a timer has been started. So let's try this again, and yeah, another one started. So that's going to be all. If it helps you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.